Here I have HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable video stabilization in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch the video mode, and by tapping on this icon here in the corner you can switch stabilization. Steady shot on, which translates to human language as stabilization on. So yeah, that's how you can easily switch it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.